And finally, the Christmas song, Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire. Robert Wells, Mel Torme put the song together. The story behind the song is it was in Los Angeles, and it was 105 in July. And Mel Torme said, you know, it's hot in here. And Robert Wells said, well, maybe to cool off, why don't we write a Christmas song? And so they were thinking about it, and then a couple of days later, Mel Torme was walking by Robert Wells' desk, and he saw on the desk chestnuts roasting, Santa's on his way, children dressed up like Eskimos. And he went back to him and he said, well, what do you think? We said, let's sit down and we'll write it. And 45 minutes later was this song. Now, this is a difficult song to sing because this is Mel Torme's song. And he had that beautiful velvet voice. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. And to all is on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Thank you. And forgive. Thank you. Happy New Year. And to our Orthodox friends, Merry Christmas. All right? It's coming up. Right? Thank you for coming.